This is the plaintiff, Santos Saporito. He says he purchased a 2006 Dodge Charger, and the defendant sold him an engine which was cracked. The car overheats. They dumped a lemon on him, thinking he was a sucker. But he has rights as a customer, and he knows them. He's suing for the $3,900 it's going to cost him to fix the car. This is the defendant, Bill Christos. He says he got a call from the plaintiff complaining the car was overheating. He told him no problem, it's covered, but to get the car into the shop immediately. For 10 days, he waited for the car. Then he gets a call claiming the engine was cracked. That's what happens when a car overheats numerous times. If the guy listened to him, none of this would have happened, and now his cracked engine repair costs are his responsibility. He's accused of unloading a Hooptie.
All parties, please use your right hands.
Welcome back to the People's Court. Next case on the docket, the plaintiff bought a 2006 Dodge Charger from the defendant, and it had a cracked engine. The defendant says the car was overheating. That caused the crack, and it was the plaintiff's fault. It's the case of you cracked me and my car up.
Thank you, Douglas. Mr. Saporito, you are suing Power Motor Group for $3,900. The cost to install a new engine?
Correct.
Into your car that you bought from them because you feel it's their fault. Tell me what happened.
Correct. I bought the car July 2017, okay? I think the 10th of August is when it started overheating. So I had called and I said, listen, my car is overheating. It was probably 7 days before they actually came and got the car and towed it to their shop, which was Prestige Motors.
What's Prestige Motor have to do with Power Motor Group?
Prestige Motors doesn't exist.
Well,
He may be
whatever
talking
they towed it to, okay, that's who looked at the car.
Okay. Did you tell them to tow it to someplace different than Power Motors?
Yeah, well, we don't have a shop in our dealership. We sublet our work. The name of
Did you have them tow it to Prestige Motors?
No, it's called Long Island Auto Sports.
Okay,
It's not
well-
Where did you get
Prestige
the name
Motors.
Prestige?
Because I have this receipt on here.
All right, hand that up to my bailiff.
Okay.
All right,
It's
so
very hard
in
to
any
read.
event, so
That's
they
the
find...
tow truck driver.
Okay,
All right, yeah.
so they tow it to a place to get fixed. Somebody,
Right.
at Power Motor Group's direction, it gets towed somewhere to get fixed,
Correct.
and what happens?
And they told me that after 2 days, they said there's nothing wrong with the car, it's fine. They said the
Cannot
motors are
duplicate
working.
customer complaint.
What's that mean?
Oh my God, you've never heard that? Half the time I take my car in, they're like, we can't duplicate the complaint. I'm like,
Okay.
sure. So now what I do is when something happens, I videotape, take my phone out, I videotape the complaint. I'm like, duplicate the complaint.
Okay,
Figure
all
it
right.
out because I'm
Okay.
not crazy.
Okay, all right.
Go ahead.
So I went and picked the car up. I used it for a couple of days, it started overheating again.
Okay.
I brought it to my garage now. When I brought it to my guy,
How did you bring it to your guy?
I drove it to him.
And how far is he?
Probably a mile or two away.
Okay. What's the name of your place?
MZM.
Do you have a?
Yes, I do.
Okay, let me see it. And we know your address, so I'll figure
Yes.
out just how close it is. You want to revise the estimate of 1 mile?
Excuse me?
How far is your mechanic?
2 miles probably. Something
Okay.
like that, 2, 3 miles.
2, 3, 4, 5?
Yeah, something
right.
like that.
Okay. Go on.
When they looked at it, they found that there was a cracked head. And that's what was,
Was it overheating on the way over there?
No, because I would add fluid to it to get it to the spot.
Okay. Do you have pictures?
There's one picture. I think you guys might have it, because I have it on my phone.
I'll look at
You
it
wanna
on
see
your
the phone?
phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the car drove fine with a cracked head
overheated.
is what you're saying.
It overheated.
Okay, I'm just curious.
Wait,
Okay.
what was your question?
If the car had a cracked head, it wouldn't be able to go from Pete's place, which is where we towed the car on our behalf just to accommodate the gentleman. It would have never made it
What do you mean
back.
just accommodate? He bought a $1,500 warranty. What do you mean
The
by
warranty's not from
accommodate?
us. The warranty is between him and the bank.
You don't do the servicing for the warranty?
Correct. Yes. But the point of the conversation is that he drove 20, 30 miles as he stated.
Wait, if you don't do the servicing for the warranty, then why didn't he make a claim on his warranty for the service? It's not covered.
He did try to
Oh,
make
you
a
did
claim.
try
I
and
have
it's
all
not
the
covered.
document, but after a crack.
Hold on one second.
Go ahead.
It's not
Isn't
covered?
there a lemon law, 30 days?
No, not on a. This is a used car, right? No,
Right.
lemon law. People hear that all the time about lemon law, but that pertains to brand new cars. It doesn't pertain to used cars.
Really? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
really.
All right,
What
I
you
never
have
knew
is the
that.
exact warranty you bought. That's what you have.
Okay.
And the warranty you bought says what? We don't cover overheating, but we do cover cracked
Well, they
engine.
sent me something.
Wait a minute. God, you just can't just
Sorry.
yell over me. Who's that lady there?
That's Terry, my girlfriend.
Okay, does he do that to you too?
Yeah.
Can overheating cause an engine to crack?
Yes, it can.
How so?
Well, it's overworking the engine, so it could cause damage, cause a crack.
Okay, since I know nothing about that, I'll accept it. Going inside the courtroom.
When your guys looked at it, did they look at the, what is it, the cracked engine block?
Yeah.
There was no cracked engine block. Test drove car multiple times, cannot duplicate issue.
May I see what you're reading? So you guys 5 miles away, by the way?
Okay.
Okay, not 1 mile away.
That was close.
All right, yeah. Okay, so you take your car to your guy, and your guy says, replace customer supplied engine. Where's the actual, do you have, oh, here we go. No, that's the same thing, replace customer supplied engine. Did they ever write something up saying what was wrong?
With the engine?
Yeah.
No, it's just what they say on there. That's
So
that they
how are you going
repaired
to
it.
prove up that the engine had a crack in it? Did
Because
you
the
take
picture's on there.
Okay.
That's inside the cylinder, which is part of the head.
Let me show it to you.
I see a hole in something. I don't know if that's an engine block. I don't know if that's
a cylinder.
rotor disc. I
Does
don't
it
know
look
what
like a
that is.
cylinder?
Doesn't look like a cylinder to me, but it could be. I'm not a mechanic, nor do I, try to be one. That's why I pay people to do that type of work for the dealership.
Did you?
but what
I'm trying to understand why you take the car to begin with if you are not. Or did you have a? Was there a warranty
Yes.
that you?
Yeah, there's
Oh.
a warranty, so we tried helping him. and
No,
the
no,
warrant-
but okay. So you said that's between him and the bank. You are the people who are giving the warranty.
The warranty administers through our dealership in the package of the banking paperwork.
Yeah,
the
but
bank
he
supplies
can't take it to his own mechanic and
Oh,
then
he could.
send a bill
Absolutely.
to the bank.
Not to the bank,
May I
to
see the warranty,
company.
please?
I have it.
Whoever has it. Let's make sure it's the same thing. I actually want it for both of you.
Okay.
And it's not a proprietary warranty. He does not need to come to me to make a repair. So he can go to any mechanic shop, any inspection station. claim
So
falsifying.
why did you get involved at all?
Because I'm a nice guy.
No,
I
you're
want to
not,
help
no.
the man.
Either that or you were.
Come on.
I don't
I
get
take
why
care of
you
my
get
customers.
involved.
He calls me, it's an overheating issue, no problem. I'll take a look at it. I have no problem.
The car had been in your possession for how long at that point?
About 3 weeks. They
And
did a
then
bunch
your
of tests.
warranty company says, hey, too bad, so sad. We don't, actually, what they say is we don't cover overheating issues. So you brought this lawsuit against the people who sold you the car because your feeling is they sold you a lemon.
Correct.
Do you have the paperwork from the transaction so I can see what, if any, warranty you specifically gave him? Do you have the paperwork of the actual sale of the
I
car?
do.
Okay, sold with warranty. This vehicle comes with a dealer warranty, the details of which are specified in a separate warranty form. You're the dealer, so you do warrant it.
I give him 30 days.
How many miles were on this car?
96,000,
So it's under 100,000,
correct.
which is relevant in your state because under 100,000, you have to give what kind of warranty?
30 days, 1,000 miles.
The purchase was what day?
7/15.
Is that
July
correct?
15th, yes.
And the date that you came into him was what? The date?
August. It should be on the date.
Yeah. So I know it's within the 30 days because he takes it in within the 30 days. So when you say I have nothing to do with the warranty, that's incorrect because he brings it to you within the 30 days of the 30-day warranty that you must by law give him.
Okay. The warranty that is sold with the vehicle in
Yeah,
this
that's a different
particular
one.
case, that
That's a-
supersedes our warranty.
What does that mean?
It means that the warranty is superseded. The lemon
Says
will
who?
take.
You? You
No,
have to
but-
give him the 30-day warranty. So no.
If he didn't have a warranty, it would be my coverage on his covered components.
Yeah,
So
no,
if
I think the
warranty-
reason that you took it in is because he called within the 30 days. That's
No,
why you took
no,
it
we
in.
took it
Now
in
it
because
makes
I'm a
sense
nice
that you
guy.
take it in. Not because I'm a nice guy.
I'm a
Now
nice-
it's because it's under the 30 days.
Your
I
Honor?
got it. No, I don't want you to interrupt.
Okay.
Hold on. Get your mechanic on the phone from the second place. Can you do
MGM?
it? Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, hi, this is Sal Saporito, the guy with this 2006 Charger.
Okay.
I'm in people's court right now with the judge. She wants to speak to you.
Okay.
Okay? Bring your
What's his
phone up.
name?
Was it-
What's your name again?
Joe.
Joe.
What is?
Okay, here she is.
How do we know this is the mechanic?
Hi, Joe.
Hello.
I have some questions for you. What was wrong with the car?
It had a crack in the cylinder wall.
How does a crack in the cylinder wall happen?
Hot and cold, expanding, contracting.
Driving it while it's overheated?
Probably was overheating because of the crack.
Okay. Does it sound like a mechanic to you? Thank you so much for your help. We're going to hang up now. Thanks.
What dates on
Did
the,
you actually put in the new engine?
Yes, I paid for it.
Okay.
I bought
Do
it
you
from
have the
Wyoming.
receipt?
Yes, I do. Here's the engine right here.
Let me ask you to argue this point. If he has a 30-day warranty with you, and the 30-day warranty includes the engine being defective, okay, and he alerts you within the 30 days that there's something wrong with the engine, but the guy you have it towed to does not spot it, but the exact same problem happens within days, and when he picks it up from your guy, and he takes it to his own guy, and his own guy says, look, this is why this is happening, because there's a crack in here. Why isn't it your issue?
Okay, the reason it's not our issue, number one, there's a warranty on the vehicle. If it was an engine, it would have been covered by warranty. If it was negligence
No,
on
the idea is that you sold him the engine with the crack and that the crack caused the overheating. The warranty company doesn't cover the overheating. And, you know, I am not deluded into thinking somehow, nor do I check out your fancy footwork and be convinced that because he has a warranty policy that he paid $1,500 for that denied him he's out of gas because that, quote, supersedes your 30-day. No, the reason why you took it in, towed it, paid for the tow, and paid somebody to look at it is because it's within those 30 days. So no.
That's not true, but okay. I mean, we're all entitled.
I'm done. I'm ruling in favor of the plaintiff in the amount of the $3,900. That's my verdict.
Thank
Good
you,
luck,
Your Honor.
folks.
Well, after a lot of talk about warranties and dates and coverages, the judge decides for the plaintiff and gives him the $3,900. Why do I think you disagree with the judge?
Because it's clearly marked that the car wasn't covered. It clearly marked that it broke due to negligence on the owner's part
We've
heard
a lot of that. I'm sorry, you put up a valiant fight.
I tried. Hey,
good
you can't
for
win
you.
them all.
Okay,
Take care.
thank you very much. Here comes the plaintiff, Mr. Spirito. All right? Saporito, sorry. Well, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
You must feel really
Thank
good
you.
right now.
I do, yes.
Okay, you fought it out. What
Justice
about
has
the
been done.
car, by the way?
Oh, I love it. I got a new engine in it. It runs great.
Running great?
Yeah.
And you're happy?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank
And you're
you,
a
sir.
winner on the People's Court.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Harvey?
Hey, Doug, this is a really good example of a case where you should insist on a warranty when you buy a car. Even if they say there's no warranty, you can always negotiate one. And if they say no, and you really want one, just buy another car.